Imagine turning any static portrait into a living, breathing character that expresses every subtle emotion. With just a single photo and a performance video, X-Portrait 2 makes this dream a reality, pushing the boundaries of animation technology. Powered by ByteDance's advanced expression encoder, X-Portrait 2 sets a new standard in precision, outperforming solutions like Runway's Act 1. Rapid head movements and the smallest expression changes are handled with unmatched accuracy. The magic lies in their powerful motion appearance separation technology, seamlessly transferring expressions between styles, from photorealistic portraits to cartoons, ensuring perfect emotional fidelity across every domain. For storytellers, animators, and visual effects artists, X-Portrait 2 will transform creative workflows. Instantly create compelling characters for movies, games, and virtual agents with unmatched speed and quality, all from a single portrait. The future of animation is certainly here. Let's have a look at some of their compelling demos.
You're not the only one who's got wants and needs, but I held on to your toy. I took all my feelings, my wants and needs and dreams, and I buried them inside you. I planted a seed to watch and prayed over. I planted myself inside you and waited to bloom. It didn't take me no 18 years to realize the soil was hard and rocky and it was never gonna bloom. I got a life too. I gave 18 years of my life to stand in the same spot as you. Don't you think I ever wanted other things? Don't you think I had dreams and hopes? What about my life? What about me?
No, it's not. It isn't fair.
Has it ever occurred to you that I have agreed to look after the Overlook Hotel until May the 1st? Does it matter to you at all that the owners have placed their complete confidence and trust in me and that I have signed a letter of agreement, a contract?